Yo, what's up, my peoples? It's spinning! Maybe this was a bad idea, maybe this was a good idea, I don't know. All I know is that, yeah, good view of everything. I do say so myself. So, yeah. Well, I don't think I showed you guys it last time, but I did. I finished it. The dragon photo. And I'm going to show you guys, because it's awesome. And everyone's all like, whoa, it's crazy, it's cool, good job, pat on the back. This is what it looks like. Ignore that. Oh, frick, there's things right here. Oh, that's actually good. Good thing my book reminded me. I love English. Ignore the freaking sugar skull, but yeah. Yeah. I am proud of it myself, because I freaking love it. That was my first time drawing a dragon, and it turned out pretty freaking good, I do say so myself. And I forgot what I was going to say. Oh yeah, now I remember. I wanted to talk about this one thing, and it's crazy. Because you guys know how I do all these crazy voices and crap. Some, I don't know how I do them, I just can. But I am training my voice to sound like a man whenever I sing. Not every single time, I can control it. But like, I'm trying to make it so I can sound like a woman whenever I sing and a man whenever I sing. If I want to. So I can sing like, basically I can sing like a woman and a man. I'm getting pretty darn close to sounding like a man. I do say so myself. And yeah. Freaking awesome. I don't know what I was looking at. Oh, yeah, this is what I was looking at. This is what I was looking at. It's hanging on my thing. I haven't heard my voice, me sing like a man yet. So I could like sing to the microphone and listen to it and be like, oh my god. It sounds like a man. I don't know. All I do know is that I'm getting pretty darn close to sounding like a man. And I don't think anyone has ever heard me sound like a man. Well, I mean, like, I could freaking make my voice go really freaking low. But, stop it. My headphones were making noise, and I was like, shut up! God, it's rude. Freaking piece of crap. But, yeah, I'm sounding a lot like a man. And that makes me happy, because that's my goal. To sound like a man whenever I sing. Because I've never really heard of people sounding like a man. I mean, like, women singing like a man. I've never really heard of it. Because, like, there was this foreign girl. Everyone was like, oh my god. And then there was, like, the girl. She was like, oh my god. Well, she wasn't bad, but she was like, oh my god, that's... It was good. And I watched a bit myself, and I was like, this is neat. This is neat. I'm gonna do this. So so far, I'm training my voice, and so far, my vocal cords are dying. I'm training them too much. Even yesterday, I sang for a total of, if I think about it, how long did I train? So there was frick that fruit fly. There's a fruit fly over there, and it annoyed the heck out of me, and I got distracted. But I at least sing for, I don't know, 4 hours a day, like a man, trying to. I'm getting closer and closer, and it's crazy, because it's like, that's sounding different right there. That sounding different. So, I'm freaking loving it. I'm loving it. McDonald's. And it's crazy. I don't know how to react to myself. I hear it. It's like, it's not completely different. Like, you can still hear, like, it's me, but it's like different. And it's crazy. That didn't make any noise. I'm sad now. I banged on my knee. And yeah. I've been training forever. I'm training day and night. It's crazy. It honestly is. But something I do have to say, if you're gonna try and go for it, do understand that not everyone can sound just like a man. Even me. I don't sound exactly like a man. Not yet. And I'm trying my hardest. I swear to God, there's this tiny thing, tiny thing, that's just, I just can't reach it. So, if this tiny thing, as in like, I'm saying tiny because like, I have so many muscles in my neck that I'm freaking discovering. So I can go to new things. I can hit new pitches that I haven't before. Like, I'm real low, real high. I'm freaking Alvin and the Chipmunks sometimes. I mean, I could do that before, but now it's higher. Oh God. I can't handle this. No. This is my tiny voice. Whatever. Don't freaking judge me. But other than that, I can hit pitches no one else I've ever seen have. And it's crazy. Because here I am, just a normal girl. My vocal cords were actually... Oh my God, I just realized this. Before my vocal cords were just dying, they weren't working well whenever I sang. Because, like, I was usually, like, such a beautiful singer. I can sing so perfectly and amazingly. I'm not trying to boast, but a lot of people are just like, oh my God. And it's like, I've been training since I was 5. And now I'm training even more. Dang it! But before I could just sing, like, beautifully and softly and just right on pitch, right there. And then my vocal cords started freaking dying, so they were like, they just started acting freaking, like, weird. I was sounding too... I don't know how to describe it. I wasn't sounding as spot on or perfect with the music as I was before, and I was like, frick, how do I fix this? Here I am. I discovered new muscles. I am doing it. So, yeah, I'm happy. Teehee. So, yeah, you got to see my dragon. My dragon. My dragon. It's my dragon. And, yes. Oh, There's a tendon right there. Boop, boop, boop. Tendon. It's moving. Oh, it's gone now. Oh, bye-bye. Weird moments on my channel. I found a freaking... Oh, it's back. Yay. Oh, it's gone again. No, come back. No. I don't know. Like I said, discovering new freaking things on my freaking neck. Inside of my neck, too. In my neck. On my neck. On my nose. In my chest. There's a lot of chest movements involved with the male of the singings. Or to at least go as low as freaking a man. And if you hear like how they speak like a man, whenever you hear people like how to speak like a man, what you must do is you must lower your voice to the point where you can barely speak. And then once you hit there, then you can truly speak like a man. That's a bunch of bullcrap. Because it also involves the softness of your voice. Like me, I sing softly. Very softly. So, well, not like quiet, but as in like, it's hard to explain. I'd have to be like, I hear singing like freaking opera to freaking explain it. But my freaking voice is like kind of a soft sound in a way. You have to get rid of that like completely. So I discovered this freaking awesome muscle in my neck. It freaking removes my soft voice. Well, not completely. I'm trying not to be so serious, but I don't know if you guys are getting if it's serious or not. My entire channel's just a joke. It's just a joke. I'm just sitting here making these freaking videos talking to myself. Honestly, I don't even know. What? Oh, I still got stripes. I thought they were going away. What about this side? Oh no, they look like they're going away. No. But yeah, I can do different types of voices. I can do all of the voices. So if you right there, if you're trying to go for male singing voice or female singing voice, female, make your freaking voice higher pitched and soft. If you're a man, if you're trying to go for a man voice, no softness, deeper pitch. A la la. Now, I need to freaking cut this video because it's getting way too freaking long. Way too long. I forgot what I was going to say. Oh. But yeah, and also, you see this? You hear that? What that is? Prismacolor. I love Prismacolor. And Prismacolor equals mix the two together, you got freaking beautifulness. So yeah, well, plus me, you can't just throw pencils at a book and shut up. So yeah, you guys want art videos? Tell me. If you guys want freaking singing videos, do it. And then if you want vlogs, if you guys want vlogs, do it. So, I just wanted to say, goodbye.